So we had a high-level meeting just now in which I chaired a meeting with the DG of police as well as the district authorities of both Umroi district as well as East Khas Hills and the Home Department officials. We have received information that there is a likelihood of some elements trying to land tomorrow in Umroi Airport and also taking a rally in the name of protecting the cow and also for ensuring that cow slaughter is banned in the country. They have not taken any permission for any rally. They have not taken any permission for staging any sort of protest. But we have just received that there's a possibility of a chartered flight landing tomorrow in Umroi. We have assessed the situation all around both Umroi district after consulting the Deputy Commissioner as well as consulting the district authorities of Shillong. Shillong in East Khas Hills, section 144, which is now section 163 of the BNSS, has already been promulgated, prohibiting any sort of rally and meetings. And likewise, Umroi district is also following on the same pattern. And to ensure that there is no escalation of law and order in the state, as well as in the district of Umroi district, as well as East Khas Hills, we have decided that we will write from the government to the airport authority to deny them landing facilities for the flight tomorrow. So that is the decision we have taken into consideration. And we have had consultation also with the Central Puja Committee. They have stated very unequivocally that 2nd of October is a very important day in the Puja celebrations. It's the starting of their festivity, and they don't subscribe at all as local stakeholders over here to what this rally is all about, and they have not rendered any support at all. They are not aware of any rally that is likely to take place, and they have stated very clearly that they do not support it. We have taken the local stakeholders into consideration, and after applying our minds collectively, we have decided that we will write to the airport authority to deny landing.